Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. That means that with any vehicle purchase you make, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your very own chance to take home $10,000. Now back to the start of the show, we have this gorgeous 2021 Ram 3500 Bighorn Crew Cab 4x4 to show you. Under the hood, you're going to find the powerful 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine that is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. My battery's very low, so this is going to be a super quick video. We're going to skip over the obvious color, etc. This does have the optional fifth wheel gooseneck towing prep group. It also has the optional dual rear wheels at the back. This has been fully safetied and inspected. It's actually a special buy from Chrysler, so it's never previously been owned. We're going to take you through it, as I said, quickly, but if you have any additional questions or you want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So you do get your factory remote with your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. We'll give you a quick shot of these wheels, and then we'll head into the front. Fog lights down below. You do have the towing hooks in the front. And then again, you get those towing mirrors with these signal light indicators. That's a great safety feature. Side steps helping you in. And then in case my battery does die, we're just going to give you a quick shot of the back here. So again, the dual rear wheels. You do have that easy open tailgate feature, so it's not going to slam open when you open the tailgate. Again, you do get that fifth wheel prep group in here, and this is going to come with a Armaguard spray-in bedliner. So that'll be ready to go by the time you take it home. You also have tie-down hooks throughout the back bed there. And then as we head on inside, you do have a beautiful interior. It has nice modern styling, power mirrors, windows, and locks. Your mirrors are also heated and power folding. Lots of storage in the door, including 2 cup holders. Your driver's seat is fully adjustable with lumbar support. Your seats are also heated, as well as your steering wheel. On the steering wheel to the right, you have your cruise control, including adaptive cruise control. And then you have your shifting down below. To left, Bluetooth and hands-free, audio-mounted controls. You have fully automatic headlights, power pedals in here, and the current mileage on this is a low 36 kilometers. So again, brand new. You do have a full menu of information to scroll through. Take a second to explore that a little bit further with your sales advisor. To the right, you have your push button start, 4x4 options, nice clean dash, Ram detailing up top with a bit of storage and a 12-volt outlet, the upgraded Alpine sound system. And then you do have your AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio options. And then for your media, you can connect through Bluetooth, auxiliary, and USB. Dual zone climate control, you have a great responsive screen in here, so you can have your own preferred temperature. There's also an auto feature on there. Again, your heated seat and steering wheel, you have your backup camera and a cargo cam. You have a full app screen giving you easy access to some of the technology that also allows you to customize the bottom menu to your preferences. Navigation, a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone and settings. Down below that, you have your lane departure warning, which is great. Traction control as well. And then again, all of the manual buttons for your climate control and media. Trailer brake control, engine exhaust brake, tow haul parking sensors. You have the ability to move this back. You have an AC outlet down below. 2 cup holders, top shallow space with another USB port, and that opens to the bottom area, which connects to the front. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Again, great styling, tons of space in here. Locking glove compartment, additional space above that. You get that nice Bighorn badging on there as well. Illuminated vanity mirrors, garage door transmitters, sunglass storage, interior cabin lighting, and your rear sliding window. So in the back here, you can see it's an absolutely gorgeous design. Again, lots of legroom, tons of space, storage on this side and beneath the feet on both sides. You also get these panels that fold out and secure, so you can get a nice flat traveling surface. So overall, as you can see, that was just a super quick tour. Again, if you have any questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.